I like the guy who installed a rear main seal. You can see it's not square. Imagine if my son fit in like this and I pull it out from the customer car, he will be fucking his ass kick until it's split.
Hey guys, so this is the old crank here. I'm not sure if you can spot that hairline crack right there. Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's AJ. If you haven't, make sure you do hit that like and subscribe. I'm always trying to make you guys some awesome content. So today I'm back in the workshop with Derrick and Chan. We're gonna be moving forward with the processes. We did find some more problems. I know, I'm really sick of problems. They give me headaches, but we did find some more problems. So we had a cracked valve guide. So we had some issues with the valves. So I've gone to Nathan's engine parts. They've supplied me with everything from tip to toe to rebuild the motor. It was quite expensive for a 2JZ rebuild kit, but you know, that's the expense you get when owning these cars. So already alone in parts, I've already spent nearly 2 to 3K. While it's falling short, doesn't feel good, but it is what it is. As I said before, I bought this car knowing that I would have to pay money.
Perfect. Check on the plate. It's perfect.
So we had to heat up the valve guides to get them out. So what that is the valves go through the valve guides and let the oxygen in and the exhaust gases out. So we had to heat it up to 150 degrees and punch it out, which Chan has done. So once we've done that, it's expanded the metal wide enough so it can fit through and slip through, and then put a new one in. Furthermore, Chan has then rimmed the valve guide. Now what that does is it allows the valve to move in and up and down in a quite free motion. So we are moving quite forward, and it's absolutely awesome. So I'm expecting this motor to be done once the piston comes in, but we do have all the parts that are ready to be slapped in. So guys, these are the valves that have come out of the motor, and this is the springs, the valve springs, with their top hats and the retainers in there. Derrick has just shaved down the valve seats and the valves to make a perfect fitment. Now what this is going to mean is that there is going to be more airflow through the valves, and that means there's also going to be a tighter seal, which means you will be getting the best compression out of the motor possible. Now when there is more air that does go into the motor through the valves, that also means that there is more juices to make. There's more fuel, more detonation happening, and more power coming out.
I don't want the machine more than what it is now. I did clean it up, so it's perfect. The distortion minimum is around,
50 microns.
50 microns.
So guys, the head has just been shaved down. It's looking as shiny. It's like, look, I can look at it and see myself like a mirror. It's beautiful, it's schmick, it's what you want. Boom! Alright.
Okay, today we machined the head for AJ's car. What we did, we replaced one of the valve guides that were cracked. We replaced that with a new one. We also replaced we machined the valve seats, and we also machined the head today. We also replaced a few valves that were bent or either damaged from before, and I think that's it for today. Yeah, I'm good.
Yo guys, that brings a conclusion to the video. So as you can see, we went through a huge amount of processes, as Derrick has said just before. We pretty much reconditioned the whole entire head. We're nearly there. So we've got a few more days to complete the project. It's really exciting. We're moving a lot of things forward. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's clip. Make sure you do hit that like and subscribe, as one subscriber does go a long way. All subscribers go a long way. So always trying to make you guys some awesome content. Peace out, fam.
Why do you like the Toyota Supra, babe?
Because, I don't know, it's a nice car. I like the build, I like the drive, and as a little shit, I've always liked everything that my big brother liked, so he introduced that to me when I was 8 years old, and we've been liking Supras ever since.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice.